Hi, I'm Lloyd from Bumstead Bicycles, and I wanted to take a few minutes to show you Aventon Sinch. This is their newest version of it, so I think we could call it a 2023. I know we're not there yet, but most bike companies come in a little early, just like the car companies. And this is one of their new colors, and it's a matte gray. Kind of interesting color. I like it. So the advantage to the Aventon Sinch is that it is a folding bicycle, would be the first thing. And let me show you that before we go into anything else. It folds in two spots. You have I'm sorry, but I'm gonna try and make this look as easy as it's supposed to be. The handlebars fold down. The frame then folds in half. So, and again, high quality latches on both of these. You'll find definite lock-in mechanisms. You'll feel stable. So again, then this folds all the way around in half. Again, sorry, I should practice a little more in my folding of the bike. It folds in half. Pedals, for a little extra clearance too, the pedals are folding. So as you see here, I'm trying to show you how it works, and I can't, there we go. So standard pedal, you need a little extra clearance here, push in and fold, got a little extra clearance on the pedals, folds up nice and small and compact. As you can see, I don't know if you can on there, but not as small as some. Again, with the fat tires and the larger size of this bike, might not fit in the trunks of some of the smaller cars. But what we're finding is the small SUVs, you can put one or two of these in the back of the SUV and not have to buy an e-bike rack or have them exposed out on a rack. You can put them in the back of your SUV and off to wherever you'd like to take these things and go for a ride. That's probably the biggest advantage. I know a lot of the small folding bikes are great for just the last mile kind of thing. Hey, I just need to get to the train station. I just need, my office is a mile away. I need to get through the park outside the school campus and ride in the last bit. So the small, little, lightweight, compact folding bikes are great for that. The advantage of this folding bike is then when you sit on it, it is much more about closer to a full-size bike ride. You can go for an hour, hour and a half on this bike and still ride comfortably and not feel like you're on a tiny little toy type of a thing. With the big tires also, you can find yourself on some dirt roads, take it camping. I found other customers that aren't going to necessarily go off-road. They like the stability of this bike. Again, it's a little lower center of gravity. The wide tire gives you some stability and comfort. You can run a lower tire pressure on a bike like this. Then, all the traditional bike features of it. It is a 7-speed Shimano drivetrain system. And again, they don't skimp, they don't use the low-end tourney, they use a good quality Shimano Acera derailleur, so you get good positive shifts on this bike. On the brakes, they are disc brake and they use a cable disc brake. The reason they don't use hydraulic on this is again because of the folding. They feel that the cable brakes are going to be a little more reliable on a folding bike. Also has Aventon's newer color screen, which has an app that you can link to your phone, USB charging point, quite a few more features than their older version, the black and white screen. So again, really nice upgraded screen, new color choices, just an awesome bike. If you're looking for something you want to be able to put in the back hatch of your vehicle, or even if you don't care about the folding and you like the idea of it just being a little lower slung and a wider tire, I have a lot of customers buying them for that reason. Again, the test ride helps for that, to see how this bike rides compared to a traditional non-folding bike. Again, the brand new Aventon Sinch. and in stock and ready to be sold. Thanks for watching the video, and if you could like and share, that would be great. It helps us to make more videos. Thank you. If you happen to live in the area and you enjoyed these videos, please come in and say hi. If you're not local to the area and you're interested in buying some of the items we talk about, in the description below we should have links to the items. Thanks.